Hello, my name is Mason Rigney, and today I am going to be talking about The Public Place Bandit by Ellen Miles. Bandit gets abandoned at a truck stop. Lizzie and Maria find him, and there's a note on him that says the people that had him didn't have enough to afford him, so they decided to leave him at the truck stop. So they decided that they would bring Bandit home, but before that, they took him to the vet, and the vet confirmed the heart surgery, and the surgery had to be out of town, and it was also expensive. They needed a transportation, and so they started a dog walking business for the money to afford it, and Uncle Theo can take Bandit out of town. Uncle Theo has a truck that can take Bandit to the vet so he can get his heart surgery. And so they did the dog walking business, and and Lizzie found out that she could earn $90 a week. So then they decide to work together because they were working on different dog walking business. So they decided to work together for the last bit so they could raise the rest of the money. And after that, what I liked about the book is that it is a very cool book, and I think it is great.